Welcome to the final lesson of Model 3, Model Summary. Today, we will recap the insightful journey we have taken through the future of AI, exploring how it's shaping our professional landscapes and technological horizons. Throughout this model, we have explored several crucial areas that outline the trajectory of AI and its growing impact across various sectors. Let's summarize the key themes, advancements and trends. We start by examining potential future advancements in AI, including the development of more sophisticated neural networks architectures. These technologies are set to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, enhancing its capabilities and applications. Transformation of industries. We discussed how AI is revolutionizing industries by driving efficiencies and creating new business opportunities. From healthcare to finance, AI is making operations more efficient and enabling companies to tap into new markets and innovations. Ethical AI practices. A significant focus was placed on the importance of ethical AI practices. We delve into issues like addressing biases inherent in AI systems, ensuring transparency in AI decisions, protecting privacy, and the need for developing inclusive data practices and robust ethical frameworks. AI career paths. Finally, we identified and discussed key career paths that AI is creating. We highlighted roles such as AI research scientists, data scientists, and AI ethics consultants, detailing the skills required for these positions and their potential salary prospects. This summary underscores the vast potential and the diverse challenges presented by AI. As we conclude this model, reflect on how AI might influence your current or future career and consider how you might leverage AI for growth and ethical impact. So thank you for participating in Model 3. I hope this exploration has provided you with a clearer understanding of AI's trajectory and its implications for professional opportunities. Keep these lessons in mind as you navigate the evolving landscape of technology and career development. So that's it for this model. Let's go to the next model.